I welcome you all to this fourth session of aldehydes and ketones. So we'll start with this today's session. So in this session, we'll discuss about aldol condensation and benzoin condensation. So ಈ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ aldol condensation ಮತ್ತು benzoin condensation ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So here is to recollect what we discussed in the last session. So last session ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ? We discussed different methods of preparing ketones. So like how to prepare ketones from nitriles using Grignard reagent, how to prepare ketones from carboxylic acids using alkyl lithiums, how to prepare ketones from acid chlorides using dialkyl cadmium. So these are the three different methods of preparing ketones which we saw in the last class. So, and I also stressed that all these three methods were widely used in the industrial preparation. So coming to today's session, as I said, we'll discuss about aldol condensation. What is condensation? Condensation ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? When two or more molecules join together, it may be of same compound or of different compound. There might be elimination of simple molecules or there might not be elimination of simple molecules during this joining of molecules. This union or joining of molecules is called condensation. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಮೂರು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅವು ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋವಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಗೋವಾಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗದೇನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ aldol condensation ಮತ್ತು benzoin condensation. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ಏನು ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ದೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ the presence of dilute NaOH to form beta hydroxyaldehyde, which is called as aldol. So here aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen, they undergo self condensation in the presence of an base, dilute base, to give the product aldol. This is aldol condensation. This reaction is called aldol condensation. So what is aldol? Aldol is nothing but beta hydroxyaldehyde. Aldol andre beta hydroxyaldehyde. So this term aldol is derived from the combination of the words aldehydes and alcohol. So you can see here this is an aldehyde. So aldehyde, two molecules of the same aldehyde undergoing self condensation, the presence of dilute NaOH to give aldol. ಯಾಕೆ ಆಲ್ಡಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಎರಡು ವರ್ಡ್ಸಿಂದ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ ಆಲ್ಡಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡು. ಆಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್, ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್. ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲು ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎರಡೂ ಇರೋದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಆಲ್ಡಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೀಟಾ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. So this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. aldehyde group ಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ adjacent carbon alpha carbon ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ adjacent ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನ beta carbon ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So beta hydroxy aldehydes are called as aldols. Next, for example, we will see acetaldehyde reacting, undergoing self condensation with dilute NaOH solution to form 3 hydroxybutanol. So this is also a beta hydroxyaldehyde. So this aldol condensation involves 3 steps. If we see the mechanism, it involves 3 steps. One is the loss of proton from carbanion. Second is the attack of carbanion on another molecule of aldehyde. And the third, there is a formation of aldol. So as I said, so this condensation can be seen only in case of aldehydes which is having alpha hydrogen atoms. So alpha hydrogen atoms ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬೇಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಬೇಸ್ removes the proton from the alpha carbon. So you can see the hydrogen getting removed by the base in the slide. As a result, you are getting a carbanion. You can see a carbanion. Carbanion is nothing but intermediate species where the carbon bearing negative charge. So you have seen how carbanion is produced when a base is attacking the alpha hydrogen atoms and removing this alpha hydrogen atoms. So this is the first step of aldol condensation. The second step is so generated, ee tara generate agirtakkanta carbanion will attack the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule. So will attack the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನೇ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So this carbanion being the nucleophile, it acts as a nucleophile. The carbonyl carbon acts as an electrophilic center. ಯಾಕೆ electrophilic center act ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, here the carbonyl carbon is attached to oxygen. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೂ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, the CO bond between them is polarized, and as a result the carbon will bear a slight positive charge and act as a electrophilic center. Since this carbonyl carbon acts as electrophilic center, the carbanion, which is a nucleophile, will attack the carbonyl carbon to form an alkoxide ion. You can see here the alkoxide ion is formed. This is the second step in the aldol condensation. And the third step is formation of aldol. Now this alkoxide ion which is so formed will accept a proton from the water. So water molecule ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ proton accept ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ alkoxide ion and it forms aldol. You can see in this slide. So these are the 3 steps or the 3 steps of mechanism involved in the formation of aldol from acetaldehyde. So as I said earlier, aldol condensation can be seen in aldehydes as well as in ketones. The condition is it should have alpha hydrogen atoms. You can see here, this is the aldol 3-hydroxybutanal, butanal. So ketones also will undergo aldol condensation, but compared to aldehydes, ketones undergo aldol condensation to a smaller extent. The reason might be the steric hindrance, because the carbonyl group is flanked by alkyl or aryl groups in case of ketones. Due to this, there will be a steric hindrance, and due to the steric hindrance, the ketone undergo aldol condensation to a lesser extent when compared to aldehydes. So here acetone, which is having a alpha hydrogen atom, will undergo condensation in the presence of barium hydroxide. Barium hydroxide is a base to form 4-hydroxy methyl 2-methyl pentanone. This is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, and this is carbon number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is carbon number 5. So this is a 5 carbon. So this is a 5 carbon containing alkane derivative, where the carbon number 2 is having the carbonyl, the ketonic carbon, and to the carbon number 4 you have a hydroxy group and a methyl group. So the name of this compound is 4-hydroxy. At the carbon number 4 you have a 4-hydroxy. To the same carbon you have methyl group 4-hydroxy 4-methyl, and that carbon number 2 you have a ketonic carbon. So 4-hydroxy 4-methyl 2-pentanone. This is also a product of aldol. So if there is union of one aldehyde and one ketone molecule, we call it as crossed aldol condensation. So erado same aldehydes condensation ಆದರೆ, so that is normal condensation. If there is condensation of a one aldol, one aldehyde and a one ketone molecule, we call it as crossed aldehyde condensation. So in benzoin condensation, it involves the treatment of aromatic aldehyde with aqueous alcoholic potassium cyanide to form alpha hydroxy ketones, which is called as benzoin. So benzoin condensation alli enagutte andre, benzaldehyde is heated with aqueous ethanolic sodium cyanide or potassium cyanide. Heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ this aldehyde molecules undergo self-dimerization to form alpha hydroxy ketone called as benzoin. So this self-condensation of an aromatic aldehyde, the presence of cyanide ion as a catalyst, is referred to as benzoin condensation. Idana benzoin condensation anta kariti. So what is benzoin? It is an alpha hydroxy ketone. The carbonyl carbon is alpha. So the carbon and carbon attach agiro carbon, you can see here, this carbon is alpha carbon. This is the ketonic carbon. The carbon which is attached to the ketonic carbon is the alpha carbon. To the alpha carbon you can see a hydroxy group being attached. So this alpha hydroxy ketones is called benzoin. So for example, benzaldehyde, I have taken 2 molecules of benzaldehyde. This 2 molecules of benzaldehyde undergo dimerization, undergo condensation, the presence of aqueous alcoholic potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide to give benzoin. Now let us see the mechanism of benzoin condensation. The mechanism of benzoin condensation involves 3 steps. Let us see one by one. In the first step, the cyanide ion reacts or readily attacks the carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde to form carbanion. So you can see here cyanide attacking the carbonyl carbon. As a result, you get a negative charge on the oxygen, and the oxygen will abstract the proton attached to the carbon, and you get a resonance stabilized carbanion. The second step, the resonance stabilized carbanion will attack the carbonyl carbon of the second benzaldehyde. You can see here the resonance stabilized carbanion attacking the carbonyl carbon of another benzaldehyde. Now you get an intermediate. So there will be shifting of proton, intramolecular proton shift, and followed by this third step involves removal of cyanide ion. You can see here cyanide ion getting removed, and there is a formation of benzoin. So benzoin, as I said earlier, it is alpha hydroxy ketones. Alpha hydroxy ketones. So coming to the summary of this session. So in detail we studied about condensation of aldehydes, that is aldol condensation, benzoin condensation. So as I said, condensation is nothing but joining of two molecules of same compound or different compounds. During this joining there might be elimination of simple molecules such as water, ammonia, or there might not be elimination of these molecules. So aldol condensation takes place between, it is a self condensation, takes place between the aldehydes or ketones which is having alpha hydrogen atoms, the presence of a dilute base, to give beta hydroxy aldehydes, which is also called as aldol. In benzoin condensation, the benzaldehyde dimerizes in the presence of dilute alcoholic sodium cyanide or potassium cyanide to give alpha hydroxy ketones, which is called as benzoin. So we saw how aldol condensation takes place, the mechanism of this reaction process, the benzoin condensation, and the mechanism of this reaction process. So thank you one and all.